especially this would happen to me a lot in Game of Thrones. They would want me to be abusive of Jon Snow and all young people generally.
But all on the back of your head so you can quickly slag him off.
Yes, and even when the shot's gone on with Jon Snow talking to somebody else, they said, can we have you in the background, really just abusing?
Just riff on it.
And I say, are you sure? And they go, yeah, can we just record you? Just extemporize, just, be a bully. And I would do this, and they would fall about laughing. They would find it so entertaining.
You should release it.
I do get asked, people stop me in Sainsbury's and say, could you call me a
bastard?
A bastard. Can you call me a bastard?
Hey, you know what? You're missing a trick because Brian Cox, Succession.
Yeah.
He's on Cameo. You can pay him like 400 quid for him to tell you off.
I should do it.
You should do it. You can literally say, will you please tell my husband to off for his birthday? And and makes an absolute fortune. You'd be a Cameo millionaire.
Well, look, watch this space.